Welcome to FH Auto Reviews, where innovation meets passion and automotive excellence takes center stage. Today we explore the 2026 Tesla Model 2, a car that promises to redefine the future of affordable electric mobility while maintaining the premium DNA that Tesla is renowned for. This model is designed to make electric driving more accessible without compromising on technology, performance, or the unique futuristic design that continues to set Tesla apart from the rest. The Tesla Model 2 is the most anticipated addition to Tesla's lineup, and it brings together efficiency, affordability, and advanced innovation in one sleek and striking package. The exterior of the Tesla Model 2 is sculpted to perfection, blending simplicity with aerodynamic brilliance. The glossy red color enhances its visual presence, giving it a bold and dynamic character. The front fascia is clean and minimalistic, dominated by slim LED headlights that exude confidence and precision. The lack of a traditional grille underscores Tesla's commitment to aerodynamic efficiency, reducing drag and improving overall performance. Every curve and line of the Model 2 is purposefully designed to maximize airflow and contribute to its futuristic aesthetic. The design language is distinctly Tesla, modern, smooth, and instantly recognizable. From the side profile, the Model 2 exhibits a compact yet muscular stance, symbolizing agility and strength. Its flush door handles, seamless glass roofline, and smooth contours contribute to its aerodynamic efficiency. The alloy wheels feature a minimal yet futuristic design that enhances the overall aesthetic appeal while improving battery range through reduced air resistance. The rear design continues this sense of sophistication with a clean layout and an LED light bar stretching across the tailgate, creating a striking visual signature that glows elegantly in the dark. Underneath the sleek design lies Tesla's commitment to sustainable performance. The 2026 Model 2 is expected to come with a next-generation battery architecture capable of delivering a range of up to 400 kilometers on a single charge, depending on configuration. Tesla's newly developed 4680 battery cells offer higher energy density and improved efficiency, ensuring longer life and reduced charging times. The car supports both AC and DC fast charging, allowing it to gain substantial range in just a few minutes. Tesla's expanding supercharger network further enhances convenience, ensuring drivers can travel long distances without range anxiety. Performance-wise, the Model 2 surprises with agility and acceleration that exceed expectations for its segment. With a dual-motor all-wheel drive variant and a single-motor rear-wheel drive option, Tesla ensures flexibility for different types of drivers. The 0 to 100 km/h acceleration time is expected to be under 6 seconds, showcasing the immediate torque delivery characteristic of electric powertrains. The suspension system has been tuned for both comfort and precision, ensuring a stable ride in urban environments and on highways alike. Step inside, and the interior instantly communicates Tesla's design philosophy of minimalism and sophistication. The cabin of the Model 2 is a perfect blend of comfort and technology. A large central touchscreen dominates the dashboard, serving as the primary control center for all vehicle functions. The user interface is seamless and intuitive, allowing easy access to navigation, entertainment, climate control, and advanced vehicle settings. High-quality materials wrap the cabin, including soft-touch fabrics, sustainable trim options, and a clean dashboard design that enhances the sense of spaciousness. The panoramic glass roof brings in natural light, adding an open-end, airy ambiance to the cabin. The seating is ergonomically designed to offer comfort during long journeys, with ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers despite its compact size. Tesla's attention to detail ensures that every component feels premium and purposeful. The sound system, fine-tuned for rich acoustics, creates an immersive listening experience whether it's music, podcasts, or navigation instructions. The ambient lighting system enhances the futuristic appeal of the interior, making every ride feel refined and modern. Technology is where the Tesla Model 2 truly shines. Equipped with Tesla's latest autopilot features, the car brings semi-autonomous driving to a wider audience. The integrated camera system, radar sensors, and ultrasonic sensors work together to provide a comprehensive safety net. The vehicle can handle lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking with remarkable precision. Over-the-air software updates continuously improve the car's functionality and safety, keeping it up to date with Tesla's latest advancements. Connectivity remains one of the hallmarks of Tesla's ecosystem, and the Model 2 is no exception. The car seamlessly integrates with the Tesla mobile app, enabling remote monitoring, climate preconditioning, location tracking, and smart summon features. Voice commands add another layer of convenience, allowing drivers to control navigation, media, and vehicle settings without distraction. The infotainment system supports a wide range of applications, ensuring entertainment and productivity on the go. In terms of safety, Tesla continues to lead the industry. The Model 2 is built around a strong structural foundation with strategically placed crumple zones and a low center of gravity due to the battery placement. These elements significantly reduce rollover risks and enhance collision protection. Advanced safety features include pedestrian detection, side collision avoidance, and a comprehensive airbag system that protects occupants in every seating position. Tesla's commitment to sustainability is evident not only in the powertrain but in the entire production process. The Model 2 is manufactured with eco-friendly materials and efficient processes that minimize environmental impact. It represents a step forward in making electric mobility accessible to a broader audience without compromising on innovation or quality. The 2026 Tesla Model 2 stands as a symbol of Tesla's relentless pursuit of excellence and its vision of a sustainable future. It's not just a car, it's a statement that performance, technology, and environmental responsibility can coexist harmoniously. From its eye-catching red exterior to its intelligent interior and groundbreaking technology, every aspect of this vehicle reflects Tesla's mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. For car enthusiasts, technology lovers, and anyone who dreams of the future of driving, the Tesla Model 2 is more than just an affordable electric car, it is the next evolution of Tesla's innovation journey. This model is poised to revolutionize how we perceive compact electric vehicles by offering premium quality, exceptional performance, and cutting-edge technology at a price that broadens Tesla's global reach. Thank you for watching this detailed review on the Tesla Model 2. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on more in-depth car reviews, automotive insights, and exclusive features, make sure to subscribe to FH Auto Reviews for more exciting content.